meaning of this? I'm asking you, what is the meaning of this?
I want us to talk.
I hear they call you Edu Brazil. So why not behave like someone who has been tamed by the regulations of the Western world? Get this car out of my way.
I want us to talk.
I have nothing to talk with you. I said remove this car out of my way.
I am not your enemy. From the first time I set my eyes on Omalisha, I felt she's the woman for me. But you're on my way. And I can't compete with the prince. Prince Lotana, I'm ready to do anything as long as it has to do with money. Just for you to leave Omalisha for me.
If love can be bought with money, why did you not grab a bunch of it from one of the grocery shops in Brazil? Listen to me. Stay away from Omalisha. You will not marry her. Stay away from her and avoid me.
Oh my God, people no longer think before they act. It's painful. Where is your conscience? Oh my God, people no
He walked away from me.
Where is your conscience? It's painful. Where is your conscience? Oh my God, people no longer think before they act. It's painful. Oh my God, people no longer think.
So tell me, how did it go?
Magical. You know, after he took the alcohol, he became tipsy, and then I shot my shot. They hooked on him. And the rest is history. You know, he kept moaning and groaning. And my queen, you could tell it's been a long time he had sex. I mean, the strength. But now the stupid thing is that he kept calling the name of that stupid girl.
Oh, that's not as important as hooking him with fertilizing your egg at an ovulation period as this. Let's pray we roped him in with his drunken state. Not even the king, my husband, will allow him choose another woman, knowing that you have a child for the prince.
But what if he doesn't enter? Just what if?
It's who? Congratulations, my dear. It will sure enter. We need to drink and celebrate in anticipation. Congrats, my dear. Wake go.
Yes, my queen.
A bottle of champagne with ice.
Yes, my queen.
Here he comes. My son, where have you been? Never mind. Just be happy. You have won. I told you. Lotana, can you please tell me the reason you've been avoiding me? What have I done wrong?
Mother.
Son?
Can I know why I am being restrained? from marrying whom I love?
Son, I think that question should be directed to your father. Yes, because I know nothing. So stop avoiding me.
Mother.
Son?
Tell me, if you were in my shoes, what would you sincerely have done?
My son?
Never mind. I am no longer interested.
My son, you see, no matter what happens, do not do anything funny. I believe your father would tell you his reason someday.
Like I said earlier, Mother, I am no longer interested. I have made my own decision.
Which is? Your Majesty, I'm worried.
What is his decision?
He did not tell me. But darling, you need to sort things out with him. I don't want him to do anything stupid. He is our only child and the heir apparent to the throne.
I am not sorting out anything with him. I don't care what his plans are. If he likes, let him do something stupid to himself. He's a grown-up man. So I really don't care.
You mean you are not going to tell him the reason you cancelled his traditional marriage?
Woman, how many times will I tell you that I don't want us to discuss this issue again?
Where is he going to? Can you tell me he's going out? Did your father tell you where he's going to?
No, he did not.
Anyways, I'll find out later.
Get her here.
Yes, Your Majesty.
What is it? What is it? Move. We don't leave me alone. We don't leave me alone. Leave me alone.
What are you doing in my compound? You devil!
I am here to talk to you about your daughter. I understand she's still seeing my son.
Then tell your son to leave my daughter alone.
Exactly why I am here. I don't want to see your daughter anywhere close to my son again. You know the consequences of disobeying my orders. Warn your daughter to stay away from my son.
Igwe Akubwe, get out of my compound. I don't want to see your evil face ever again. Get out!
A word is enough for the wise.
Mama, please, let them come and jam me. I'm in my compound. I can't run for them. Let them come.
Mama, it's okay. What is that man doing here again?
How many times have I warned you, Omalicha? How many times have I warned you to stay away from Lotanna? If I ever see you with that boy again, I'll kill myself. Here, dare me if you want.
God is not asleep at all. He sees every action.
There's something about this man Mama hasn't told me yet. What is this secret she's keeping?
Before God. Oh my God, people no longer think before they act.
I thought you said the queen wants to see us. That's exactly what she said. That we should wait for her here. Your Highness, what is you?
I want both of you to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. Where did you go with the king? You heard me.
Your Highness, we went to Prince Lotana's fiance's house. Your Highness.
So I was right, after all. You can go.
Are you serious about what you just said? My father is at your house right now. Are you telling me the truth now? Did he say what he came there for? Okay, no problem. I'll call you back. Mother, are you aware my father went to Omaricha's house and what he was going there to do?
Who told?
Are you aware or not? Anyway, never mind. When he gets back, I will ask him that question.
This guy has finally gone nuts because of this matter. He now talks to me anyhow he likes.
For the last time I am going to ask, why was Lotanna's father here? Mama, I'm talking to you. Mama!
Well, if you must know, he came to tell me to warn you to stay away from his son, Lotanna.
Mama, that is the exact thing you said to me. What is this secret that you two share that you can't even tell anybody? What is it? Mama, please, I am asking, what is going on? What are you hiding from me?
I'm not hiding anything.
No, you are. Mama, you are hiding something obviously because I have asked this question countless times, but you wouldn't say anything. And I don't know what this secret is that the king and yourself has decided to keep until you die. Well, if you two have decided to keep mute on this, I don't have a problem because I have made up my mind on what to do. And I swear to God, nothing is going to change my mind. I am going to do exactly what I have in mind since you have decided to harden your hearts. What is it? A mother is supposed to be happy when a child falls in love. I don't know what secret you have with this man that you can't even say to me. I don't know what your own problem is. And let me make this clear. I am going to marry Lotanna whether you like it or not.
How am I going to handle this? How am I going to handle this?
Father, can I ask you a question?
I will not entertain any question from you if it is about the issue. The reason I visited Omalicha's mother is to warn her to stop her daughter from seeing you.
Father, can't you just try?
Lotanna, you've learned to argue with me. Try it one more time and I will show you the other side of me.
Now get out. Don't you respect
I said get out of my room right now. Now!
Your Majesty, you're making this whole thing worse by shouting at your son. You have to take things easy with him.
I will not take things easy with him. I will not. He is my son and he must obey me.
God is not asleep at all. God is not asleep at all. He sees every action on which we take. 'Cause nothing is hidden
Hello? Yeah, I'm almost ready. Hold on!
People no longer think before they act.
Yes, coming!
My prince, sorry to disturb you.
What do you want?
My prince,
Say what you have to say, please. I need you.
I'm here to talk to you because I care about you. You know you're a good man. See, do not allow anyone to dictate to you who to marry. Follow your heart. Please. Please, my prince.
Who sent you?
No, nobody, my prince. See, I care about you. You're a good man. Nobody.
It's okay. Relax. Thank you very much. Thank you, Nwude.
You're welcome, my prince. Nwude, Wahaba. Very important. You can eat here.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Yes, my sister, we are all fine. Lotama is not a big boy. Yes. How about the kids? Don't tell me that. I'm fine also. It's okay. My industry.
My queen, the prince is not in his room.
What do you mean he is not in his room?
He did not respond to my knock, your highness.
Did you knock very well?
Yes, your highness.
You know what? Go back there and knock very well.
If you are talking about the prince, he's out. I saw him leaving with a bag.
What do you mean you saw him leaving with his bag? You know what? Go back to his room and knock very well.
Okay,
maybe he is sleeping.
Okay,
and report to me immediately.
I don't really know where we're going to. But the most important thing is that I am going to be together with the love of my life until this is over. I don't mind having a court marriage with her.
God is not asleep at all. God is not asleep at all. He sees every action.
Ola said he was going to come with me.
Amalecha, you look worried. Are you expecting someone?
What kind of question is that? Eh? Why can't you just mind your business?
Wait, to Henry sent his regard.
Regards bogging ahead. What are sorts of regards? Rubbish.
I'm married to go there. Where's the for water, Kita? I know. Very soon you will come begging me to tell Henry to marry you. Married there.
Yeah, I can hear you. Or I'm driving.
Oh, Malisha, what did I ever do to you? Eh? Why do you want to put me in trouble in this house? Eh? Why can't you listen to your own mother? Why? Mama, good morning. Save your good morning. Because there is nothing absolutely good about this morning. I am so angry with you because of your stubbornness.
Stop. Mama, what have I done?
You are asking me. Eh? You are asking me. Come outside. Come and see for yourself what you have done. Come and see for yourself what you have done. A stubborn fly that ends up with the corpse in the grave. Umbaro say it, come and see. Follow me now.
Go in there and bundle her out.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! I said leave me alone! Leave me alone! Don't touch me! Leave me! You better take it easy on my daughter.
Stand here! Where is my son? Speak!
I don't know where your son is.
What do you mean you don't know where my son is? Huh? I am giving you 24 hours to tell me the whereabouts of my son. Failure to do that, I will arrest you.
seen it? Have you seen it? I've warned you several times, but you wouldn't listen to your mother, Omalicha. Very soon, very, very soon, you will understand what you've done to yourself.
Don't dare me. Uloma, don't dare me. Your daughter must provide my son.
My daughter is not responsible for your son's disappearance.
Oh, you want to kill her? You will kill her father. Eh? You want to kill her? Enter the car fast.
Uloma, if my son is not found, you will never set your eyes on your daughter again.
Then I will tell the whole world about the evil you committed. You wicked man! What are you doing there? Come down! You wicked man! Come down! Come down! Let's be man to woman! Come down! You are a coward! Come down! Let's be man to woman! Come down!
Nothing is hidden before God. Oh my God, people no longer think before they act. It's painful. Where is your conscience? Oh my God, people no longer think. Where is your conscience? It's painful. Where is your conscience? Oh my God, people no longer think before they act.
I came back today and I heard that Lieutenant's father arrested my sister.
Why? He said that his son, Lieutenant, is missing for 3 days now. And my sister knows his whereabouts.
Is that why they arrested my Omalicha?
Yes!
You cannot take me to that station.
Yeah. Senior man, when you see Butu go to first. You know, his father is a traditional ruler and he gave order that my sister should not be released till his son is...
That's arrogant bullshit! That's bullshit! That's nonsense! Do you know who I am? Henry 1 na Sao Paulo.
Pa, when you see.
Henry 1 na Brazil.
Senior.
And you're telling me about traditional rulers. Ikenna, take me to that police station. There's nothing money can do. Onyego Kambo. There's nothing money can do.
Police Kaiwa.
Telling me about traditional ruler. Who is the traditional ruler? Omalicha.
She is gnashing her teeth, ready to be served. I have left instruction for her not to be released on any account. She will remain in that cell until my son is safe.
Your Majesty, it might be she did not know Lotania's whereabouts.
What are you talking about? Huh? She is my number one suspect.
Your number one suspect? What if she's innocent?
Oh, come on, she's not innocent. She knows my son's whereabouts. And I will deal with her until she tells us the truth.
My husband is making a mistake.
Mama, money is good. Mama, I said money is good. I can't hold on. Mama, my sister is back. Omalita is back.
Hey!
Omalita is back.
Odogu!
Hey! Odogu! Papaya! Can we ignore Odogu Kibo? Mama, you can kill Omalita. Come here now, couple Odogu. No Odogu ko kwa Gronya. No bo Diego Zoku na South America.
So how did she come?
Mama, Henry here made it possible for myself to do this. Hey! Mama, Iman water. Mama, Iman water.
No.
Mama, I tell you how much Henry spent.
God bless you.
It's okay.
God bless you. It's okay, hey, thank you so much. Thank you so
much. Mama, hey, can you go Odogu again? Can you hear again?
Mama, it's okay. It's okay.
Mama, I told you.
It's
I told
okay.
you.
It's okay.
No, you have Odogu Jamano. Hey, Mama,
let's go get her something. She'll be hungry by now.
Mama, can I go tell you something? I want to buy her something.
You don't have to, but I thank you. But
No.
Can you get me done, but I'm not going to go take it here, man.
we have food.
I'm going to give it. Yes, now. Come on, Mommy, you are coming.
Forget about that. We disposed the body. And don't forget to send me my balance.
Oh, double Abasi, you are proving to me that you are a big man.
As it stands now, we have to start the preparation of the traditional wedding because my sister is all yours.
That's if the princess.
The princess cannot be found. The princess will never be found. The prince is gone and gone forever. See, now you are proving to my sister that you are the only man. What you did for her is what no man can do. And my sister is on your side. So we don't have to waste time. We have to start the preparation of the traditional wedding immediately.
What you have done to her is what no man can do. Hey! See now, if possible, Odogu na Brazil, Odogu na Marine, Odogu na the whole world, Odogu go ahead, make a good. Odogu come back here. No, Odogu,
I'm going to siren. Even the traditional ruler cannot stop you. Bro, that's already matter. Hey! Hey! Hey, look, we have become my in-law. Nobody. They can't swear like they blew my sister Bunyegi. Just take her.
Kenna, do you know
She's
what?
all yours.
You know what? You get some points. I'm gonna set 5 minutes here.
Hey! Oh, you better like I'll make her go mad for you. No, 5 million. And I can't give her the name also. I'll just go mad for you. I'll just go mad for you. I just get it on and snare there. We're going now. Hey! Jota, I'm not going to put wine like they bring my sassy up. I'll give up wine to give you. I am her father. You are her husband. Nobody can come against. Huh? Nobody dares. Huh?
I just transfer 5 minutes here.
Ah! I'll not 5 million. Oh, I'm not even telling you. That's not 5 million. What do you want to make I go mad for? I said that people carry my wine give my sister. Hey!
Let's leave.
Hey! You see, I live with the house sisters. Oh, don't put a Malay. Oh, don't put a Brazil. I want Olia. I want Sauda. Hey! Oh, don't put a Malay.
God is not asleep at all. God is not asleep at all. He sees every action on which we take. 'Cause nothing is hidden.
Don't dare me. Uloma, don't dare me. Your daughter must provide my son.
My daughter is not responsible for your son's disappearance.
Oh, you want to kill her? You will kill her father. Eh? You want to kill her? Enter the car fast.
Uloma, if my son is not found, you will never set your eyes on your daughter again.
Then I will tell the whole world about the evil you committed. You wicked man. What are you doing there? Come down. You wicked man. Come down. Come down. Let me find the woman. Come.
He actually bought all these things to get my attention. What exactly have I done to Lutanya? This is the second time he's disappointing me. What have I done?
Hey! Oh my God! Wait. He bought all these things for you. Eh? He bought all these things for you. Do you know that this is money? Chineke. Do you know I used to see this back in the television? Hey, wait. Hey!
Nah, this boy is trying, you know. I think Ikenna is right. This boy might be God sent, oh. I think you should accept his proposal. Accept his proposal. Okay, where is Lotana? Lotana has disappointed you. Accept Henry Kokubien. Only. Accept him, he's a good man.
Why did Lotana's father kill my father? Ama, it's better you tell me the truth. You can't keep this secret from me.
You release the girl that is responsible for the disappearance of my son? How dare you? What rubbish are you talking about? Eh? I left an instruction that she must not be released on any account. Oh, come on. Threatening court case. Which family are you talking about? How much do they have? Now you listen to me, DPO. Go back there and arrest that stupid girl. Yes. Good. It's alright. What nonsense? Can you imagine that? Is it not the stupid DPO? He released that girl that is responsible for my son's disappearance. Eh? With the flimsy excuse that the family is threatening court case. What rubbish?
Your Majesty, you mean you actually asked them not to release that young lady? No, it's unlawful.
Oh, it's unlawful? Eh? So my son's disappearance is lawful, right? Come on! Look, that girl, I will so deal with her. I will deal with her until there is nothing left in her. Nonsense! God! Your Majesty!
My queen, please can I tell you something?
What is it?
Please don't be angry, but I know what I'm about to say is real.
Go ahead and speak.
It's about the prince, my queen.
What about the prince?
The prince is back. He came back last night.
Are you okay?
No, my queen. I mean in my dream, not in real life.
Thank God you said you're not okay. Let me not hear you speak again. Did you hear me? Rubbish. Let me not hear you talk.
Yes. He's with you at the station? With a young lady? It's alright. Please retain that young lady. Okay? Retain her till I get there. I'm on my way. Thank you. Ha!
Your Majesty.
Our son has been found. I'm going to the police station right now to get him. I'll talk to you when I come back. Okay?
You mean Latana has been found?
Yes, yes, yes.
Latana.
I'm happy my dream has finally come to pass.
But did my husband actually say that Latana has been found?
It's not picking my call. It's not picking my call. It's going on. He will now be seeing me as a flip man. What am I going to do? It's not picking. My don't do my plan, yes, I say. Hey! I want to go abroad now.
is not asleep at all. God is not asleep at all. He sees every action on which we take. 'Cause nothing is hidden.
Lotana, what is the problem? Why did you ask the driver to stop?
I'm going back to the police station. How could you have asked them to hold Omalicha in their custody?
Omalicha has a case to answer. So they have to interrogate her because we are sure that she has a hand in your disappearance.
That is not true, Father. Omalicha has no hand in my disappearance. You must release her immediately.
Lotana, get into the car. Let's get home first.
I will do no such thing, Father. You see, all this whole thing must end today. You have to tell me why you disgust Omalicha and her family this much. You have to tell me.
Lotana, stop this rubbish. Stop it this minute, or I will ask the girls to force you into the car.
Father?
Oh yes, and I meant every single word of it.
I will die with any of you who comes and comes close to me. I swear to God.
Stop it immediately, idiot!
Go back to the king. I command you to go back to the king and tell him you did not see me. If you try to stop me, Udoka, or any of you here, you won't like what I'll do to you. I'm serious.
What are we going to do now? We have to tell Igwe that he escaped from us. And you think you take it lightly with us? We have no other option. Please, let's go back. Okay? Let's go back.
God is not asleep at all. God is not asleep at all. He sees every action on which we take. 'Cause nothing is hidden. Nothing is hidden.
Your Majesty, you have visitors downstairs and they want to see you urgently.
Who are they?
You will find out when you come down to see them.
You have not told me what came here to do. I will leave this place.
You should know that whatever you bring me to this palace this time of the day must be a serious matter.
Good. Lothar, who brought these people here?
I have come to reveal the secret that both of us have been hiding all these years.
Secret?
Uloma, how dare you come to my palace to cause commotion? Now both of you, get out of my palace now before I ask the guards to lock you up.
With all due respect, Father, so we do no such thing. Please go ahead and say what you have to say.
Sultana, don't dare. Uloma, leave my palace this minute.
Your Majesty, you even know her name?
Yes, my queen. He was my late husband's best friend while we were living together in the city.
Woman, what is the problem?
The doctors have refused to attend to my husband. They say that we should bring 1.1 million naira. We don't have such money.
That's a huge amount of money.
Yes. Please help us. All the money that he has, he invested in the business that got bought. I don't even know where to go to. Please help us, I beg you. Please. Please.
I'll give you the money.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you so much, sir. God is going to bless you.
Thank
you.
Sit down.
Thank you.
It's okay. Just wait for me, I'm coming.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Hey. Where is this man now? It's been over 10 minutes he left. I don't have time.
Please don't mind me. Come, let's have a drink before we go back to the hospital. Okay? Have it.
Sir, please, I don't want to drink. Just give me the money so that I can go back to the hospital. My husband is just lying outside. They've not touched him, please.
Nothing will happen to him. Come on. Let's just drink this before you go to the hospital.
Please, when my husband is well, we can drink anything you want us to drink. But his life first, time is running.
Nothing will happen to him. He is my friend. Yeah? Nothing will happen to him. He will survive.
Without them touching him, without them attending to him. Please, sir, just give me this money. Let me go, please. I beg you. Please.
Uloma, I'll give you the money on one condition.
No problem. Any interest rate you want at all, we will pay back. Let my husband leave first. Please. Just give me this money first so that they can attend to him. He's just lying outside in the hospital.
Listen, there's nothing like interest in this case, okay? I want you to warm my bed for me. Yeah.
As in, you want to...
You know, so beautiful.
You want to sleep with your best friend's wife?
He's my best friend. He will not know. There's no way he will know.
Why do you want to commit such abomination? Please, sir, I know that you have this money. Just help me.
But it will not take anything out of you to do it for me.
It will take everything out of me. Please. Please, sir. Please. Please. Help me. He's your friend. Please.
What can't you see? And what are you doing here?
You know exactly why I'm here.
I know, I don't know. I don't.
Let's just go and do the needful and get this over with.
Oh.
I can't wait to do the needful.
Come on, you're wasting time now. Are you not wasting time? Just go.
Sorry.
I'm dying. I need help. This paralysis is crossing over from here to my chest.
God forbid.
It's choking me.
Nothing is going to happen to you. You'll be fine, okay?
I'm dying.
No.
I need help. Oh, Mama. Please, just get my phone. Call my friends. Just tell them I'm dying.
I've been calling.
I don't want to die.
I've been calling. I don't even know what to do. You're not going to die. Just hang on, okay? I'll try my best. I'll keep trying.
Mama.
It's okay. Just hold on, I'm coming. You will not die, okay?
Tell me already, what is it?
So it's my husband. He's in a very bad shape.
Wow.
This afternoon, he
just fell down and broke his ankle. Right now he's in terrible pains. I don't have money to take him to the hospital. That is why I'm here. Please, help your friend. Please.
It's okay. I will help you. But you have to cooperate with me. What is why? We've done this before, so it shouldn't be anything.
You want to sleep with me again?
But you want to save your husband's life, don't you?
Must you sleep with me again? For crying out loud, this is your best friend we are talking about.
I know he's my best friend. A very good one. But you see, in this life, one has to pay some prices just to achieve an aim. You want to save your husband's life, then this is a price to pay. Come on, stop. Okay. It's okay.
What can I do?
Come on. Come on, that's enough. That's okay. That's okay.
It's fine. It's fine if this is how you want it. Let's go.
It's not how I want it. We have to save your husband's life. Okay? Come on, stop crying.
This is 1 month since he slept with me and promised to take my husband to the hospital. I have been to his house severally, but he keeps telling me one story after the other. God, am I going to watch my husband die like this? Am I going to see the love of my life die this way? God forbid. Never. My husband will not die. Sweetheart. You are going to be fine, okay? Yes, I am sure. So just hang in there for me, please. Please. Just hang in there for me. Everything is going to be okay. Everything is going to be fine. Beg you. Hold on for me. This will come to an end very soon.
Look at me again.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Baby. Let's wait for me upstairs, okay?
Okay, we're waiting upstairs.
What do you want? What?
I'm here because of my husband's condition. You know that you promised me that.
What promise? Huh? What promise? Oluoma, do I have to kill myself for you and your husband over a simple promise I made? Do I have to kill myself?
After sleeping with me twice? Is that how you have to say?
Listen, Oluoma. If I hear this from you next time, I will make sure your head will be off your neck. I'm sure you saw my new wife. So I wouldn't tolerate any sort of nonsense from you. Now get out from my house. Get out!
No problem. I am pregnant.
You're what?
Pregnant.
So? Why are you telling me? Am I your husband?
No, you are not my husband. I am 2 months pregnant for you. I have not been with my husband for a long time now. You are responsible.
I have no idea of what you're talking about. Now get out of my house. Out!
Are you not wicked? Are you not evil? You slept with me. You promised to give me money. You slept with your best friend's wife, and this is all you have to say. Running your mouth. Why? What did I do to you? Why? Honey, I'm back. Richard. Richard. Honey. Richard. Richard. Richard, don't do this to me. Richard, don't do this to me. Richard, wake up. Richard. My husband is gone. My husband is gone. Hey. Hey. Ah! My world is finished. My world is finished. My world is finished. Richard. My husband has left me. Richard. You have killed him. You have killed my husband! You have killed my husband! What carries comes?
Have I not warned you not to step into this place? Have I not?
You slept with me. You impregnated me and now you have killed my husband.
Point of correction, I did not kill your husband. Get out from this place this minute.
I will not leave. I will tell everybody. I will tell everybody what you did to me. You are very wicked. You are an evil man. God will punish you. God will punish your generation. It will not be well with you.
Right. I want you boys here. This
My husband.
Move out of this place.
The product of that pregnancy is Omalicha, my daughter.
What? Hey! Your Majesty, is that true?
You mean this man here killed my brother?
This is not true. Right? Right? Omalicha is not my sister. Right?
Your Majesty, you are not saying anything. Tell me, is she saying the truth?
Yes.
Hey!
Everything she said is true. I never knew she's still alive.
How could you be this ruthless and heartless?
I'm sorry for everything that happened.
I can't believe this is happening. No. No. Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? It's not true.
Lotana, my son, have you seen why I refused you marrying my daughter Omalicha? And now that everyone has found out the truth, I think we should take our leave.
No. Please, forgive me.
Igwe Akubwe, I should forgive you? You really want me to forgive you? What you did to me is unforgivable. What if I had died with my child? You see, even your daughter, our daughter, would never forgive you. And that's why she refused to accompany us to the palace. Goodbye, Your Majesty.
Hey! No wonder. No wonder. Me? Son, we need to talk. I know I have done things in the past that are evil. But what?
Father, but what? Are you trying to justify your actions?
I am not trying to justify my actions. What I did in the past was evil. And that is why I'm trying to make amends. I want to bring your sister back to the palace. But I can't do this without your support. I need you to accompany me to see Omalicha's mother.
I cannot believe that I have been in love with my sister. Gosh, I feel so ashamed of myself.
No, son. I should be the one to be ashamed of myself. In any case, the deed has been done. And that is why I want to make amends.
Do you think that woman will ever forgive you? You heard what she said before she left this place.
And that is exactly the reason that I need you to go with me.
Please. I'm sorry for keeping this secret away from you all this while. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So you went through all that and can't solve it. You say that man is my father. My daughter, please, I need you to forget about all that. They don't matter to me anymore. Okay? They are all in the past. What matters to me now is you. Please, I urge you to move on with your life. Yes. Forget about Luteni and his family. I want you to be happy. You need to be happy again. Please. But I think it is that easy to move on. You are the one to make it easy for yourself. Do you understand me? At this point of your life, you need to take a drastic decision. Henry is here. Henry is already in the picture. This young man has been with us all through this whole thing. Even when you rejected him, he still waited. He's been patient enough. Please. I want you to give him a chance. That way, you will also heal. Okay? It's okay.
It's okay, my dear. It's okay. Mom, it's okay. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. You don't worry.
Your brother told me all that happened. That man is very wicked. If the bodyguard carried out the instructions he gave to them, you and your mother would have been dead by now.
That is not something I even want to talk about. I'm trying so hard to forget everything that happened. Let's talk about something else, please. So tell... What are you doing here? I ask you, what are you doing here? What are you doing here again? Huh? Now leave!
Mama, please.
Leave!
Mama, just calm down, please. Calm down and listen to me.
Nathaniel, did I hear you ask my mother to calm down? Don't tell me you're here to plead on behalf of this wicked man.
I know how you feel, Mama. I feel the same way
You don't
too.
know how I feel. You don't. If the thugs he sent to kill my mother and I had succeeded, carried out his orders, my mother and I would be dead. And you're asking my mother to calm down? I can't remember you supporting evil at any time.
I'm not. No,
This is exactly what you are doing. Your father is a wicked man.
Amarita! Amarita! Mama! What are these people doing here? What are they doing in my father's compound? Huh? Huh? Hey, Mama!
Officer, that's the man. The man in red. He contracted me to kill this young man.
Eh? It's a lie, it's a lie, it's a lie. I don't know this man.
Officer, that's the manchi. Now the man be this.
Mama, no, I've never seen this man. I don't know him. I don't know him.
Officer, now the manchi be this. That's the man.
Father, yes, I remember. He was one who kidnapped.
Oh, Kidnapped?
Mama, Lita. Mama, you must not believe this boy. I don't know him. I don't know what I'm talking about, Mama.
Young man, you are under arrest. You are expected to remain silent. Whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law.
Officer, he's lying. Officer. Hey, Mama.
Let's go.
Officer, please now.
My son is not a criminal. Officer, please.
You're pregnant for me?
How?
It was the day you were drunk. I took advantage of the situation. And I put in a substance inside the drink. It turned on your libido and...
I remember telling you that I want to be left alone.
Continue to fight, Lotana. We have been friends since our childhood days. Even if you don't love me as much as I do, can we try to understand ourselves? Can we?
I'm going to use the restroom. By the time I come out, I don't want to see you here. Okay.
Lotana, we can settle this. Lotana, you have been my best friend since childhood. I cannot stand the chance and the heartbreak of you getting married to someone else. I can't. Lotana, you have always protected me. Until I traveled abroad and that caused the gradual deadening of our communication. Lotana, please, give me a chance. Give us a chance, please. Lotana. 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 Lotana.
You did? What?
I'm very sorry. I am so sorry. I needed you badly. I mean, I just couldn't watch you slip away from me. I had to do it. I just had to do it. I can't just watch you walk away. I'm so sorry about this. I am sorry.
Want to touch me?
Son, it was all my plan. And I'm very sorry about that.
What? Mom? How could you be so nefarious? How?
I'm sorry.
Disgusting. Two of you disgust me. You both?
Son. You're still carrying his child. I mean my grandchild. Means you're still part of the family.
Oh my God, people no longer think before they act. It's painful. Where is your conscience? Oh my God, people no longer think. Where is your conscience? Before they act. It's painful. Where is your conscience? Oh my God, people no longer think before they act. It's painful. Oh my God, people no longer think before they act. It's painful. Remember, no evil shall go unpunished. Truth must be told one day. You are not smarter than God. You can't hide your sins forever. Everything has time and season.